So this is where HR need to really be supportive to the whistleblower, in that it takes a lot of courage and bravery to come forward and disclose concerns and suspicions about a wrongdoing. So for HR, they need to reassure the whistleblower that they're acting, professionally, and that they are actually protecting the organisation, because they have highlighted concerns of inappropriate activity that's going on in the business. So for HR, it's very much about trying to be able to protect their the confidentiality of the whistleblower if they can. If we can achieve that, then that is the best outcome for the whistleblower, because if nobody knows that they were the one that blew the whistle, they are protected.